Good morning, I'm Doug Yates with the Real Estate News Channel.
And I'm Mark Cunningham, Doug Yates' identical twin brother. And oh, are we going to have a juicy story for you today.
Give it to him.
All right, and I know a lot of you have already heard about this, okay? But there's been the Supreme Court ruling involving M.E.R.S. And many believe that that's going to be the finger in the dike that's going to allow it to come out. And the flow's going to come, and REOs are back. And cats and dogs are living together, and we're just so excited.
Yeah, but let's analyze what the lawsuit was. Remember, the lawsuit was against M.E.R.S, Mortgage Electronic Registration System. And that was the system that actually, every originated file goes into the system and it monitors when the end investor sells that note to some other end investor. Well, the concern was, because M.E.R.S was so-called hiding who the end investor is, it made it more difficult for the homeowners to actually do a mortgage workout or a loan modification because they didn't know who the end investor was. Well, the Supreme Court, thank you. The Supreme Court came back and says, hey, M.E.R.S is a legitimate entity. It's totally fine, and there's nothing wrong. So they basically overruled that lawsuit.
And it was clear that the Supreme Court wanted to make sure that it's okay to be foreclosed on if you are not making your payments, because that is what you signed on in the contract.
And that is logical.
Now, here's the thing, though. Is it going to open up the floodgates? No. But is there some pressure relief maybe going on? Yes.
It will help. But remember, a lot of people, when Mark and I are talking to a lot of agents out there, they're confusing AB284 with the Supreme Court ruling and combining them together. They're not combined. AB284 is separate. M.E.R.S and this ruling is separate. However, like Mark said, I think it will help. It does pull the finger out of the dike and let it flow a little bit, but the floodgates, I don't think it's going to just flood.
No, but the relief will be good. And I was speaking to attorney Spencer Judd, who has been following this case pretty much from inception and has been kind of involved in this whole AB284 thing. And he has said that he does believe that the flow is going to come through more. So it is good. It's a positive sign.
Right.
Because the thing about it is M.E.R.S was a stumbling block for the banks. And it is one step closer to figuring out this whole mess and allowing the homes that need to be put on the market.
So instead of the drip, it's going to be somewhat of a small flow.
Small flow. That's very smooth.
Smooth. Hey, Mark.
What?
Guess what we're doing? Guess what we're doing tomorrow?
We're eating some grub.
Yeah. We like food, as you can tell.
Shocker.
Yes, so Macaroni Grill across from Palace Station on Saharan 15 at noon tomorrow, which is Thursday. Be there.
And all you got to do is register right down there. Let us know if you're coming. Bring yourself, bring a friend, bring some money, and join us.
Yeah, or you can pay for our dinner. Whatever.
You don't even have to like us today. Just pay for it.
But just register. Make sure you come because we could talk about what we talked about today, the lawsuit, the court ruling. If you think we're wrong,
bring it
us.
on. Bring it on if you think we're wrong, all right?
We like debate. Hey, we want to thank you once again for watching our show with us, and we want to thank our sponsor, Exit Las Vegas Realty Center.
Hey, Doug, speaking of Exit, Exit has a fantastic digital marketing plan when it comes to selling homes.
Oh.
And it is so good, in fact, that we have a little video package that I thought you might want to see. So I pasted it down below. All you got to do is click on it. It's 5 minutes. You'll be blown away as to why when we show this to the listing clients, done deal.
Homeowners are loving it.
Yep.
Anyway, remember, check out our sponsors on the side, make some comments below, and we will see you later. Have a great day.
See ya! So we know what kind of table to get. Don't forget to bring all your allergies and everything that you may be allergic to, so you know what to get. That was really dumb of me.
That was
I'm sorry.
Allergies.
That's stupid. I don't know why.
Allergies.
I don't know.
Bring your allergies. Yeah.
Bring them.
We want allergies.
And if you want to sneeze on me.
Right on us, man. Cough right in our face. We like that.
If you're snot there, then you're snot anybody.
Yeah, that was dumb. All right. Okay, next.